Hi Coach, in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to embed a video, like a YouTube video, into a note editor and share it with your clients. So I'm going to go into my contacts page firstly and click on the contact that I may be engaged with in a program. So Belinda is involved in the diet and fitness for women program with me. And here I've got the notes. I'm going to click on new note. And here I'm going to type in the title that says this video. Over here in the note editor, I'm going to click my cursor in here and see this little icon here that says code view. So I want to click on this firstly. And now I'm going to go to YouTube. So here we've got some videos on coaching. Let's look at Simon Sinek here. And I'm going to click on the share icon here and then click on embed. And you'll see here a button to copy the code. I'm going to copy this. Now it's copied. Go back to CoachVantage here on my little note editor. And I'm going to hit Command V if I'm using a Mac to paste it. Or you can do a right click and a paste to put the code in here. Now this is the code that you've taken from YouTube that you copied and you've pasted here. And just click back on the code view. And there you have it. The video is now embedded. So I'm now going to save this. And then it's not yet shared with my client. So I'll need to click here and then click share with client. Now you can see the note is shared, an email has been sent to the client, and you'll see this little icon here, which represents that the note has been shared with the client. I can watch the video from within my note editor, and so can the client from the client portal as well. So you can actually do this whenever you have a note editor. Let's, for example, take or create a test goal here. So I've created a test goal, and here there is also a comment field, a note editor right here. Similarly, I can go to the code view and I can again paste a snippet of code and add comment. And you'll see the video has appeared in the comments trail as well. So whenever you see a note editor with the embed code view icon, you can actually paste that snippet of code and it will embed the video. I hope that was helpful.